Every delicious recipe begins with a simple step, and every dream begins with the courage to start. No matter where you are on your journey, keep believing in yourself and never stop learning. Today we are baking. Okay, so I have my 75 grams of butter. So now I'm coming to add my sugar. I'm adding 135 grams of sugar. So as I'm measuring it, yeah, the cup I'm using, I know the quantity. Yeah, so it's 135 grams of sugar. So now let me. Great things are built one step at a time. Just as every ingredient has a purpose in this cake, every experience has a purpose in your life. Be patient with your journey. Trust. Okay, so I'm adding my cream cheese. I'm using 3 teaspoons of cream cheese. You can see. Okay, so now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cream. I already added cheese and 1 teaspoon of cream. Every cake starts with simple ingredients, but it's the care, patience, and love you add that make it special. Life is much the same. Small, consistent effort can grow into something beautiful. Don't give up because progress seems slow. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep believing in yourself. As I'm whisking the egg, I will add my lemon zest. Yeah, so lemon zest I just added and whisking. I'll also add orange zest so that the smell will be so good. You know egg, how it smells. Yeah, sometimes you. Okay, so my butter is here. I'll add my egg. So the egg I added lemon zest, orange zest, vanilla essence. Then I mix them together here. In the cross, in the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river. My flour have already sieved it here, so it's clean. So this is my cheese, butter, pound cake. Okay, so now let's bring this ingredient together and create something delicious. You can see it's so creamy. We have to return to our baking pan. My baking pan has already greased it, so I will return my cake dough here. So I'll put it in the oven, 150 degrees Celsius, so that it will relax and bake nice for us. Cake. The cake is ready, and it's a beautiful reminder that good things takes time. This soft cream cheese pound cake reminds us that simple ingredients mixed with care and patience can create something truly special. May it inspire you to enjoy the little moments and never stop creating something beautiful. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And that's our soft cream cheese pound cake. I hope this recipe inspires you to bake with confidence. Thank you for watching.